Hello, welcome to Octagon Garage. My name is Robert, and today was wanting to put a parts order in today, or this evening, and what I thought I'd do was, should I rebuild the original wheel cylinders for the MGC, or should I just order new ones? The new ones are under $30, depending upon where you get them. They're aftermarket. You can get original equipment ones from Gelding, but they're more expensive. I don't know what the condition of these are, but the piston's frozen. So I thought I'd give it a try. You could heat them up with a torch and then quench them in water, and that will help free it up. So you got two dissimilar metals here. I'm not really worried about the gaskets, since if I'm going to rebuild it, I'm going to put new gaskets in anyhow. So let's give it a try and see what we can do. You could also soak it with WD-40, PB Blaster, what have you. So I don't know, this may be a fail. Maybe we'll have some success. So let's give it a try. Oh, by the way, we got a new tripod for the camera, so no more, shaky, or at least very minimal. Get you guys moved over here, and let's see what we can do. So I got a torch, for heating it up, and a pair of pliers, and a coffee can with water. And let's give this a try. So I guess, heat this up, but you don't want to melt the aluminum either. And the vise is going to be a pretty good heat sink, so it's probably going to take a while. I suggest, well, we could probably do this too. Wouldn't necessarily have to have it in the vise, would we? We could heat it up holding it with a pair of pliers. Well, I could smell the rubber starting to melt, and you probably saw the smoke coming out of the hole. Let me get something to wipe this off. Try and make this a quick video. I don't want to bore you guys to tears, but anyhow. So, let's get, where did it go? Here it is. So now we got some compressed air, and where the line comes in through the backing plate, or actually this goes through the backing plate, but the hydraulic line for your brakes from your master cylinder. Let's see if we can blow this out. You only have one way for it to come out, so you really have to do this either hydraulically or pneumatically. The other side is where the star adjuster fits, and it pivots in that hole, so you don't have access from that side. So let's give this a try. That thing malfunctioned. Let me find something else here. Well, a little bit longer, but it's got a rubber tip. So let's give this a try. Here we go. Point it in a safe direction so it doesn't blow across the room. Let's see. There we are. Get you adjusted a little better. It's not wanting to go. Piston did move down a little when I tapped it with a hammer. Let's give it another try. See if we can get it moved forward. See if we can gently pry on this. Oh yeah, there it goes. Wasn't able to get enough air pressure around that to get it to go. Let's see if it'll go now. There it goes. Just needed a little bit of help. And there's the seal, the piston, and the return spring. The inside looks pretty grungy. And it's got a lot of dirt in here, a lot of aluminum. You know, it oxidizes and it causes corrosion. There's a lot of dirt in there too. But I don't know if you guys can see. It looks pretty clean on the inside when you wipe it out. So anyhow, I think that was a success. I think we should give it a try. I could buy the rebuild kit. I don't know how the other one is, if it's any better or not. But we could try the rebuild kit. If it leaks, we'll go get another one. We could take it back apart again. Is it economically feasible? The rebuild kit's about half of what the new one would cost. But this is original equipment part, so I'd like to reuse it if I can. So I know when I took this apart, I told you guys, I'll just get new wheel cylinders, but let's try it out and see. Piston looks good. It's not rusted or pitted. It was just hung up because of the little bit of corrosion on the aluminum housing. So anyhow, that answered the question, didn't it? I guess I'll be ordering a rebuild kit for that. Also, another video will be coming out pretty soon about cylinder heads and pressure testing them You can magnaflux cylinder heads, and you can also pressure test them for cracks. Had a bad experience with a machine shop, and essentially they rebuilt a cylinder head that was cracked. Isn't that nice? So I got an adapter plate, blanking plates for the gasket surface of the cylinder head and for the water bypass and for the thermostat housing, and I'm going to make a series of videos on that. So I do have a crack, I know of a known cracked cylinder head. I got to take it apart, and I got another one that I don't think is cracked, but we'll see. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. You have a good day. Bye-bye.